Today we're going to show you how to mount a roof box onto the Model 3 with the original roof rack that you can buy from Tesla. And then we make sure it's in the middle, a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then for this roof box, you just use these mounting things, push it down, and then you can see here, it snaps around the roof rack. Okay, and you have 4 of those. Now it's not moving anywhere. Then we double check that the frunk doesn't hit. No problem. And also the trunk, which won't be a problem either, because this is a quite small roof box. But you get a spider here, you get a guest. Right, so there you have it, and make sure that you have the correct distance from the front mounting point to the back. Always check your manual for your roof box about the safety distance that you need to be within, so you don't get improper balance in the box. Alright, so thanks for watching, drive safely and see you in the next one.